Hey, Vi. You excited? You ready to go? We're heading into the Henry Ford Museum.
What's that?
These are columns, and this is a chandelier. Look how pretty. Oh, we're getting into the museum. Yeah. The usual, walking around.
Yep.
We got the kiddos. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, there you go.
Now give me a treat. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a great one. Yeah. Do you want me to take those tickets? Thank you, bud. Ooh. So pretty. Whoa. I always forget how big this place is. There's a lot, baby. What do you say? What?
Where do you want to go, Oliver?
Let's do this. There's Thomas Edison's actual signature from 1928. There's him doing it, standing on the cement, putting in the shovel. So that shovel right there. And walking over, and then he comes over and he turns around and signs it. Here he is. And there's the actual thing. How cool is that? You see a what now? You see a train? Oh, it's the diner car. Let's go check it out. It's a diner. So Lammy's Diner is a real diner, and they have kind of a nice, cool looking menu. Dude, yeah. Stop smacking me. What?
I see an airplane.
Oh, you see an airplane?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the airplane instead. You excited?
Pay attention what you're doing. You got people behind you.
Oh. I'm getting closer. Here's City.
I'm going to get her out of her.
Just cruising along between the new and the old. How fun. She's a runner, she's a track star. What do you think? So we're doing motocross racing. We're in the sports area. Wow. From that to that. These are all race cars. Wow. Look at all these race cars. Hey, big girl. All right, you got her?
So we are currently going up here to look at an engine. It was I think it's a Highland Park plant generator. And this sucker is huge. Yeah, big, huh? compared to, you know, back in the day where they needed something like this big to generate enough power to run the plant compared to what we use now. Ain't it? Wow. That's really cool. Yeah.
Why not play this? Not like it.
Wow, this is really, really cool. So I believe this is what they controlled it with. Open the valves and everything. And then there was your pressure gauges right there. But this thing is huge. Really huge.
There's trains over there? Yeah, I think we have a model train set. Oh, it's all done up for Christmas. Look at that. How sweet. And behind the backdrop is a huge steam engine. Is that a Wiener mobile? That was a Oscar Mayer Wiener. Okay. I like the little Christmas decorations that they have here. It's a little bright out, so sorry if the lighting is all messy. But it's all like ribbon. It's really cute. And they have Lego City. Oh my goodness. A Lego Grinch. It looks like a Lego Detroit, maybe? Yeah, totally Detroit. The city, and I think there's a little train that comes around, but oh my, there's a whole bunch of Lego down there. It's supposed to be the People Mover. In Chicago, we have the L. In Detroit, they have the People Mover. There's some Easter eggs here, like Santa Batman, regular Batman, and a DeLorean. So over here we have dinos,
No!
like Jurassic Park.
No!
We have the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
No! Please. No.
No what?
No.
No train? You just missed the train from having a little meltdown there, bud. Ready? They have so many things over here. The Daily Bugle, Purple Palace. Wow, it just gets like more and more down there. So finally, Hogwarts at the end.
Let's go.
Let's go? Okay. We're doing this museum at a lightning pace because he's all...
This way.
Daddy's down this way. And at the very end here, we have some Quidditch. Look at that in detail. And then we have some random Star Wars. And then we have still Hogwarts mixed with some Frozen. And that looks like a weird giant Olaf. And then we have Hogwarts. We got the boats coming over the lake, some more Frozen mixed in, Mickey and Minnie. What is going on here? Well, color me surprised. Okay, so this looks like, you know, somebody you say, quote, the Titanic. But this is the SS Badger, which is a car ferry that runs from Manitowoc, Wisconsin to Ludington, Michigan, across Lake Michigan. I didn't know they had their own. That's cool.
Went skydiving.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and when we jumped out, the guy's like, put your arms out. Like, so we did that.
50 cents. And if you think that's too much today, look at the brilliant.
This is all about stunt flying, and I love stunt flying so much. More than anything else. What do you think about it? Not impressed?
Thank you.
Me? I cannot see it.
Come on, what the heck?
But we don't have any extra lumber, and there are.
This is the 1925 Fokker
What do you think, Mr.
F7 tri-motor with skis. This is for an Arctic expedition. Huh. The North Pole flight.
This is the one where they lost because they lost. They never knew if we made it or not.
Yeah.
Alright, Mommy.
Hey, so that was the live action costume exhibit at the Ford Museum in Detroit, Michigan. Sorry for the video for coming out late. A lot of things have happened since we moved out here to Michigan. We have a lot of content that's just sitting in raw folders that we're trying to get to with our new work schedules and the kids, school time and daycare. We are, just falling behind. But I am happy that we were able to get this video out. Sorry it's late. The exhibit is over now, but if you didn't get a chance to see it or view it, because originally it started at D23 Expo and they moved it around and they brought it over to for the Ford Museum in Detroit, Michigan, we were able to do it. I hope you guys liked it. A lot of cool stuff, great details. My wife loved the whole experience, and as well as the Detroit Museum in general is just huge. It's big. A lot different than what we've seen at the Field or Museum of Science and Industry or any other museums that we've gone to in the past. But we hope to go back there again and get a full, more layout of everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are trying to get more content out, so just bear with us. It's going to take a while. It's just a lot. We are going to be coming with our Disney cruise adventure that we did shortly after the holidays. Quick preview to that. We went on the Magic. It was wonderful. It was our son's first ever Disney experience besides a Shop Disney or, so he got to enjoy that. So look on for that later down the road. And with that being said, we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.